how to make a table number in Canva. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So after logging into your Canva account, you just have to click on the template section from here and search for table number, and after clicking on enter, you can see there are multiple table number templates here available. Most of them are paid and some of them are free, so you just have to select on occasion wise. So we'll just go with this table number. We just have to simply click on customize this template from here, and from here we can just customize the table number like this one, and then we can also change the design as our liking. As you can see from here, you can also change it like this one, and then you can just click on share and click on download from here, and make sure to select the PDF print best for printing, as this table number will be printed and showed on the table. And after clicking on download, you just have to give it to the printing, and after printing it you can use it on your table. So that's it for this video. See you on the next one, guys.